In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a file in Windows Command Prompt. So first, we're going to open Command Prompt by going down to the search bar and typing in CMD and hitting enter. Now that we have Command Prompt open, let's go ahead and identify the file we want to open, which is this thanks file on my desktop. I'm going to change directory to my desktop by typing in CD desktop and hitting enter. Okay, now that we're on the desktop, I want to decide how I'm going to open this file. Since it's a text file, I'm going to go ahead and open it in Notepad. So I'm going to type in Notepad, then a space, and then the name of my file, which is thanks.txt. And then I'm going to hit enter, and it opens it in Notepad. So if you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. As always, thank you for watching.